Good morning to all of you. I am Komal Pandey from class 10th. Today I am going to discuss with you about the reflection of light. Light. Light is a form of energy which produces the sensation of sight. Light as a wave. Light is a form of energy can as well as the different transparent medium in the form of electromagnetic having a extremely short wavelength within the range of 400 nm to 700 nm. Light as a ray. Light may be considered to travel from one point to another along a straight path, joining the 2 points and such a straight line constituted a beam of light. Luminous object. Objects that themselves emit a light are known as source of light or a luminous object. Non-luminous object. Objects which do not emit a light but are visible to us in the presence of light are known as non-luminous object. Note: in vacuum or air, light travel with an extraordinarily high speed of 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Image of an object. When light ray is starting from at a point after reflection from the mirror, reflection of ray or a prism actually meet and appear to meet at a point are known as the image of the given object. Real image. When light ray from an object after reflection or refraction actually meet, the image is said to be real image can be formed on the screen, and a real image formed by mirror or lens is an inverted image. Virtual image. When light rays from an object after reflection or refraction do not meet but appear to meet, the image is said to be virtual image. A virtual image cannot be formed on the screen, and a virtual image is formed by mirror or a lens is an erect image. Reflection of light. Reflection of light is the phenomena of bouncing of light to the same medium after stalking a surface. Reflector. An object having a smooth and polished shiny surface reflect most of light reflects. Silver and aluminum are two very good reflector. Polished block of silver metal reflector maybe reflect more than 96% of light falls on the mirror surface. Mirror. The glass sheet having a uniform thin layer of silver metal or one side is commonly used as reflectors are known as mirror. Relevant term of reflection of light. First, incident ray. The light ray falls on the mirror surface is called incident ray. Second, point of incidence. Points of incidence is a point at which incident ray falls on the mirror. Third, reflected ray. The light ray which is sent back by the mirror after reflection is called reflected ray. Fourth, normal. The line on which perpendicular to the N and M at the point of incidence is called normal. Fifth, angle of incidence. Angle subtended by incident ray with normal at a point of incidence is called incident ray. Sixth, angle of reflection. Angle subtended by reflected ray with normal at the point of incidence is called angle of reflection. Law of reflection of light. Whenever reflection of light takes place from a surface, plane mirror, spherical mirror, or any type of mirror, following two laws are always followed, which are known as reflection of light. These two reflection of light are as follows. First, the incident ray, the normal to the reflecting surface at the point of incident, and the reflected ray all lie on the same plane. Second, the angle of incident and the angle of reflection are always equal or lie on opposite side of the normal. Spherical mirror. If the reflecting surface of mirror is curved, then the mirror is called curved mirror. The most commonly used of curved mirror is spherical mirror. A spherical mirror is the mirror whose reflecting surface is the part of hollow sphere glass. Two types of spherical mirror. Spherical mirror can be of two types. First, concave mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inward is called concave mirror. Second, convex mirror. A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outward is called convex mirror. Important term in respect to spherical mirror. First, pole. The center of point of a reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is called pole. Second, center of curvature. The center of curvature of a spherical mirror is the center of hollow sphere glass of which given mirror apart. Third, Radius of curvature. The radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is the radius of a sphere of which the reflecting surface mirror forms a part. Fourth, principal axis. The line joining pole P and center of curvature C or extend either side is known as principal axis of a mirror. Fifth, aperture. The diameter of a spherical mirror is called its aperture. Sixth, principal focus. Principal focus of a spherical mirror is a point on the principal axis where light ray traveling parallel to principal axis actually meet in the case of concave mirror and appear to meet in the case of convex mirror after reflection from the mirror. Sixth, seventh, focal length. The distance between pole P and center of curvature C is of a spherical mirror is called focal length. 8. Focal plane. A plane passing through the focal length and center of curvature to the principal axis is called focal plane. Uses of spherical mirror. First, uses of concave mirror. Important uses of concave mirror are as follows. First, concave mirror are used as saving mirror and make up mirrors to see a large size image of the face. Second, concave mirror are commonly used in torches, searchlights and headlights of vehicles to get powerful parallel beam of light. Third, the dentist can use concave mirror to see the large image of the teeth of the patient. For doctors can use concave mirrors as the doctor had mirrors to focus light coming from the lamp on the body parts such as ears, eyes, nose, throat, etc. of the patient which are determined by them. Fifth, large size of the concave mirror are used in concentrated sunlights which produce heat in solar furnace. Second, uses of convex mirror. Important uses of convex mirror are as follows. First, convex mirrors are commonly used in rear view mirrors or a driver mirror of a vehicles, for example, cars, motorcycles, trucks and buses, etc. Second, convex mirrors are used in reflector street light. Third, large size of convex mirror are used in shops, security mirrors, in modern shopping halls and malls. Sign convention for reflection of light by spherical mirror. While dealing with the reflection of light by spherical, convex or concave mirrors and formation of image by them, we set a follow of sign convention. Generally, we follow the new Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirror. Most main points of new Cartesian sign conventions are as follows. First, object is always placed on the left of the mirror so that light from the object falls on the mirror on the left hand side. Second, all distance measured to principal axis, usually called x-axis, which measure from pole of the mirror. Third, all distance measured on of right of the origin along plus x-axis are taken as positive, but distance measured to the left of the origin along minus x-axis are taken as negative. Fourth, along direction perpendicular to the principal axis, usually called y-axis, distance measured above the principal axis are taken as positive, and distance measured below to the principal axis are taken as negative. Mirror formula and linear magnification. First, mirror formula. Mirror formula gives the relationship between image distance, object distance and focal length of a spherical mirror. 1 by image distance plus 1 by object distance is equal to 1 by focal length. So, or 1 by v plus 1 by u plus is equal to 1 by f. As per relation, we know that r is equal to 2f and f is equal to r by 2, where r is the radius of curvature of a given spherical mirror, and mirror formula can also be written as the follows. Mirror formula is valid in all situations of spherical mirrors, concave as well as convex mirror, in all position of the object. Linear magnification. Magnification produced by a spherical mirror gives the relative extent to which image object is magnified with respect to the object size. For linear object held held perpendicular to the principal axis of a spherical mirror, linear magnification expressed as the height of the image and the height of the object. Magnification is equal to height of the image upon my height of the object, or m is equal to h dash by h. Thus, negative sign in the value of linear magnification are real and inverted one. A positive sign in the value of linear magnification indicate the virtual and erect. As a concave mirror may from real image as well as virtual image, hence linear magnification of concave mirror may be positive or negative depending on the nature of the image form. A convex mirror is always produce virtual image, hence linear magnification of convex mirror is always positive. Magnification value more than 1 indicates enlarged image, and magnification value of less than 1 indicate the diminished image. Thank you.